In this video, I want to show you the two different fuse box locations on your Kia Forte. If you found this video helpful, by the way, don't forget to leave a like at the end of the video or even comment down below. Alright, so let's get started. Fuse box number one is in the cabin on the driver's side. So open the driver's side door. And over here, you're gonna notice there is a panel. Stick your finger and pull. Gonna get a fuse box diagram telling you which one is which, and right over here is the fuse box. At the end, you simply have to put this cap back. It's easy to put. Okay, put the top first and then push. It will clip back. Now for the second location, you need to open the hood of your Forte, and let's go over there. So for the second location, this is the battery, the 12-volt battery, and right above it, this box is a fuse box. Press this tab and lift up. You'll be able to have access to the fuse that is in the engine bay. Same thing on the other side of the lid, you're gonna have your fuse box diagram, and it's easier. For example, wiper, you see relay and other fuse box, it's easy to find them and to replace them. I'll put a link in the description if you need any spare fuses towards Amazon. It's pretty cheap, you get a few of them and it will be very useful. So this is about it. Once you're done, just put back this cap, align it, give it a good tap, make sure it clips in place, and you'll be good to go. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Again, don't forget to like.